buzz around Apple's iPhone 17 begins to settle, Samsung is quietly stealing back the spotlight with leaked blueprints of its new flagship, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. If these early glimpses are anything to go by, the next-gen Ultra is shaping up to be Samsung's most refined and powerful device yet. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to have a sleeker, smoother design with noticeably rounder corners, slim bezels, and a flat 6.9-inch display that promises a more immersive feel. It's a subtle but striking evolution, making the S26 Ultra look less like a phone and more like a perfectly crafted gadget from the future. On its back, Samsung's given the camera layout a light but noticeable change. Like, instead of the familiar old vertical setup, now 3 sensors sit within a pill-shaped model with a 4th lens placed just beside it, hinting at both a stylistic change and maybe some internal rearrangements for performance gains. The S26 Ultra is expected to pack Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, or Samsung's own Exynos 2600 in certain regions. Battery life and charging get a serious boost too, with a 5000 mAh battery and blazing 60-watt wire charging support. And if we talk about cameras, fans can look forward to a 200-megapixel main sensor, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom, and the 5-time telephoto lens carried over from the S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is much likely to be here in the early 2026. And if these leaks are true, Samsung may be ready to set a new gold standard. And that's why we're already counting down the days. Are you waiting for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.